Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore bubble data types and fields without losing records, full guide step by step clearly. To restore bubble data types and fields without losing records, begin by navigating to your Bubble application. Open the Data tab in the top menu bar. Select the Data Types section on the left side of the screen. Identify the data type that you wish to restore. Click on the data type to open its details. Review the existing fields within that data type. If a field has been deleted, you'll need to open the Field drop-down menu. Select the option to restore the field. Once you restore the field, verify that all previous field names and types are correct. If you want to restore a previous version of the data type itself, navigate to the Application Versions section. Here, locate the version where the data type was intact. Click on the version you wish to restore. You will see an option to restore specific elements from this version. Select the data types you want to restore, along with their fields. Confirm your selection to initiate the restoration process. After restoration, check for the records associated with those fields. Run a quick test by adding new records to ensure functionality. Look for any discrepancies and make necessary adjustments. Finally, conduct a full run-through of your application to confirm that everything is working as expected. This process ensures that you maintain your existing records while successfully restoring the needed data types and fields. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.